Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, ASFR 1. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KP.
Steve Grand.
Football made easy.
We'll try, Steve.
Football simplified.
Yeah, let's start it simple and quick.
Yes.
Congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve. Yeah, they made it to the next round, which is, for me, it's the most important thing.
Yes.
Whether they finish first, second, we can all argue that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Few saying no, when you start, when you finish first, then you've got a advantage of playing away, first leg away.
Yeah.
For me, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
That's my view, because let's say, for instance, you are second.
Yes.
You play home first.
Yes.
You win your game 4-0 or 3-0.
Yes.
You go away. What does that mean?
It
forces the team that you are playing with to start doing opening at the back, because they need to attack you.
Exactly, coach.
Then you always have a chance of scoring and winning.
Yeah.
Whether you start away, home, I think it's just a matter of how do you wanna close the game.
Yes, coach.
That's my view. So well done to Mamelodi Sundowns for winning the game.
Yeah.
Well, going into the game, I think the coach went to the game to control it, if you look at it. Having the center mids that he had, the 3 center mids, those are ball controllers too.
Yes.
They control the tempo of the game.
Yeah.
You play according to the way they want to play.
They dictate.
They dictate everything. I hear Mkhulise, still, I don't think Jaden Adams is on Mkhulise's level.
He's not.
Go look at how Mkhulise atrapang ball kara box. At grips.
Relax.
Press resistance. You come with, baby, it's a press resistance. You come with 3-4 players pressing Mkhulise Aja, his team. He might not be your number 10.
Yeah.
He might not be the most creative player.
Yes.
But on the ball, take nothing away from Mkhulise.
Yeah, quality, coach.
Take nothing away. That's what I'm saying. It's always easy if you come and say, maybe Jaden Adams will come and replace Mkhulise.
Yeah.
Because maybe he's coming in to play that to fill in that number 10 role.
Yes.
Yeah. But as for Mkhulise,
as an 8,
Mkhulise is something else.
He's star.
Mkhulise is a different breed. He was cut from a different cloth. Hence why look at all the coaches. Since Pito, Mkhulise has always been playing with all the coaches. Why not? When the team is in trouble, if Sundowns wants to control the game, Mkhulise is there. Yeah, so for me, the way the team, the coach lined up, he lined up because he wanted to control the game. You see, he had Allende, he had Mukwena.
Yes.
If you look at the chances that Shalulile missed, is because of what? Allende and Mkhulise keeps the ball, and then what happens is Shalulile starts from the line, taking a run inside. They call them C shapes.
What?
He takes a C-shape run. So he comes in between the 2 center backs.
Kasi. C-shape run.
Yes. And who plays the long balls? Mukwena. Allende and Mkhulise don't play the long balls.
I have this.
Okay.
Hence why I said last time, maybe Sundowns is missing, who's this, Tembazwane, because of creativity. Yes, we get that.
Yes.
But if you look at how the coach planned, according to me, the whole idea was let's keep the game
and control
it. We score, it's fine. But if it goes not, it's fine. Hence why after that team equalized, if you check the clock, Sundowns had the ball from the 80th minute until the final whistle.
But control like he.
Why take a risk of attacking if you've already qualified?
But that's a fair.
Yeah, it's one thing another. Remember, defending doesn't mean you need to mark.
Yes.
Keeping the ball is the most defensive thing in football. That's the most defensive tactical. Keeping ball of the position of the ball. Yes, if you have the ball, how are they going to score? Yes. You get me, Steve? So that's one thing. Well, Williams missed few passes. But what I love about Sundowns is, as much as he missed passes, he didn't start playing them long. What we train, that's what we do at training. And I hear a whole lot of people will kill the coach. Still, coaching doesn't take place during games. coaching takes place at training.
Oh, not today.
No. Today the coach is just writing an assignment, an exam.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, this is my tactical. Okay, they are making the tactical. What do I do? It's like maths. You solve maths with different equations. Yes. So you apply different and solve for X, you can say. You play the same way. This is how we trained and this is how we want to play.
Yes.
That's how it is, Tibo. Not to keep long because Kabona Masanda wana akwata. As for Sundowns Pirates meeting, Pirates Sundowns meeting.
Yeah.
For me, it's not an issue, Steve.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, those are two South African teams, and for where Sundowns is, it cancels out the final. They can't meet in the final.
All these two teams?
No.
Sundowns play Pirates?
The only way they could have met is if Sundowns finished top.
Oh, number one.
I might be wrong.
Number one.
I stand to be corrected, but yeah. You see, and it goes back to what I said in the first game, Kados.
Yes.
I asked my Sundawan and I'll ask again. Are they happy with the way Sundowns is playing? If you look at it, look at the profiling of players that Sundowns is starting to sign. Tall players.
Remember?
You get me? Yes. Tall players. So it tells you or a profile of players is changing still.
Go down.
If a profile of players is changing, then the style of play is changing.
Coach Marawan.
That's me. But to close it, I hope my Sundowns will start appreciating their left back.
No, you
Divine Lunga. He might not be the fanciest, but that's the kind of player you want. He's a defender.
Yeah.
He's an out and out defender.
True.
He might not be the comfortable player but he's an out and out defender.
Man of the match, coach.
For me, my jersey number 10.
Lucas Ribeiro.
Did you see what Ribeiro does?
He always does that.
Stuart, that guy initiates the attacks when he wants
to. He did something that was not.
When Ribeiro wants Sundowns to attack, when he has the ball, he dictates the attack.
Yeah. And then
he initiates, like he tells them, well, now we are going. Hence why most fans will be angry with Lucas. You know why? Because when they are looking for counter-attack, Lucas is not looking at the counter-attack. He's looking to kill the tempo, Steve. Relax. The moment he relaxes, what happens to the defenders? They go what? Flat-footed. You pass it through. Then that's it. I'm a football fan. Sakwat. I'm fan.